Installing a whoop charging cable is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure you have the correct charging cable designed for your whoop device, as using an incompatible cable may damage your device or reduce its performance. First, locate the charging port on your whoop device, which is usually found at the top or side of the device. Next, take the whoop charging cable and identify the end that plugs into the device. This end is typically a small, rounded connector that fits snugly into the charging port. To connect the charging cable to your whoop device, align the connector with the charging port and gently push it in until you feel a slight click. Make sure the connector is fully seated and secure to ensure a stable connection. Once the charging cable is connected to your whoop device, locate the other end of the cable, which is typically a USB connector. Plug this end into a compatible power source, such as a USB wall adapter or a computer with a USB port. As your whoop device begins to charge, you may see an indicator light or a notification on the device to confirm that it is receiving power. It is essential to use a high-quality charging cable and a compatible power source to ensure safe and efficient charging. To ensure the longevity of your whoop device and the charging cable, avoid overcharging, which can cause damage to the battery. It is also recommended to keep the charging cable away from extreme temperatures, moisture, and physical stress. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can successfully install and use your whoop charging cable to keep your device powered and ready for use. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific guidance on charging and maintaining your whoop device.